Let's take a look at how to write an equation from story problems. It says the subtraction of a number and 11 is multiplied by -5. The answer is -70. What is the number? So we've read it. It wants to know what the number is. So we're going to give it a name. It says we're going to call it A, because if you look at the multiple choice, it's all A. So what we're looking for is A. It says that the subtraction of a number, so A minus 11, is multiplied. So these two we did the subtraction first, so we're going to stick that in parentheses. It's multiplied by -5, and the answer is -70. So we're going to go through and look at these, and we're going to see that, nope, it can't be that one because that one has addition in it. It can be this one because it's exactly what we wrote, or what I wrote. It cannot be this one, and it cannot be this one because they have this plus and minus sign in the front. So now we're going to take a look at another question that's not like so obvious. It says the difference between my age and my younger sister's age, who is 15 years old, is 10 years. So here's what we know. I don't know what my age is, so we'll call my age X. I know that my younger sister is 15 years. She's 15 years old, so I'm going to call it S for a second, is equal to 15. Now, the difference is, that means that's going to be subtraction. So X minus 15 is equal to 10. And so, which the weird thing is that also means that X minus 10 has to be equal to 15. So we check to see if it has those two things there. And so this is an acceptable equation. And then this is an acceptable equation. So then you're like, well, Mr. Sutherland, I'm only supposed to pick one. So how do I know which one I'm supposed to pick? And so the answer would be B, because it says the difference, right, between my age and my young sister's age, which is 15. So my age minus 15 is equal to 10. So D is the correct answer here. You really need to take your time when you're writing equations, because oftentimes it's just common sense, just going through and writing down exactly what it says. It says, I average 7 miles each hour. Well, we already know that 7 per mile is 7h. How long will it take me to drive 70 miles? Well, 7 miles per hour equals 70. So 70h. Or in this case, we know they used y, so 70y is equal, or 7y is equal to 70. And do we have that one? We sure do. It's right there. Take your time on these. If you have questions, send me an email.